There's one distinction I want to make, which is the difference between what I do and what a beginner should do.
Yeah.
I think it's slightly different.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. I'm a senior data scientist here at WorkSpot. My background's in statistics and machine learning, and I spend a lot of my day working on recommendation engines.
So there is another important thing I need to ask you, and it's I think it's also useful for professionals who are already in the field of data science, is how do you keep yourself updated? Every day a new tweet comes in about some topic in machine learning, someone writes a new article, every day companies are coming up with new ways of building stuff like recommendation system. You yourself have to maintain the recommendation system at our company. How do you keep yourself updated? Do you look for things specifically? Do you handle it on a project basis? So you need something for your own project, you look for it, and in the process you learn something new? Or do you have subscribe to a newsletter kind of a situation where you keep getting new stuff, new information all the time, and you consume them in your free time? How do you stay updated?
Yeah, so mostly on a project basis.
Yeah.
If I've got something to do, I'll dive very deep into that project.
Yeah.
I'll keep up to date with the latest papers on archive. I'll check GitHub for code that's released along with papers.
Yeah.
There's this one site I really like called paperswithcode.com.
Oh, Papers with Code.
Yeah.
I'll put these links in the description below, so don't worry if you are not going to miss out on any of those links.
Yeah.
But yeah.
There's also a few newsletters. I think we'll add those links as well.
Okay.
And yeah, this is kind of how I follow it. It can be really overwhelming if you're just trying to keep up with everything in computer vision, language, all this sort of stuff. So yeah, I like to dive deep.
Yeah.
And once you've done enough machine learning projects, you can kind of see the analogies across different tasks, like we spoke about earlier.
Yeah.
And I think that makes it a hell of a lot easier to skim read papers and when you get news from Google News or Twitter or anything like that, you can instantly say, okay, I'm going to place it here in my mental model in your head, and realize that, okay, it is really important, I should dive into it, or I can see maybe it's not so important, I'm just going to go on.
Okay.
So you get better at discerning.
Yeah. Do you also disagree with some new things?
I don't disagree. I think it would have to be a little bit more specific.
Okay. No, what I mean is okay, for example, if you go to medium.com, I as a beginner type in linear regression. Okay, maybe this is too easy topic, but you'll find hundreds of articles on one particular topic, right?
Yeah.
How do you choose an article, or how do you choose the information that you want to consume about something? For you, it might be something really advanced. For a beginner, it could be as simple as linear regression, I guess.
Yeah.
So how do you choose the right information?
Yeah, no, it's a good question. I think I don't really choose a single source of information.
Okay.
I'll always consult multiple blogs.
Yeah.
So if we have a blog on linear regression,
Yeah.
I will also look for blogs that perform other types of regression.
Okay.
Or maybe they're blogs that are in different domains. So
Mm-hmm.
one is the application is linear regression and some sort of marketing.
Yeah.
I'll go have a look at another application.
Yeah.
And in this way, I always have a more complete picture.
Yeah.
Because there's many ways you can explain linear regression.
Yeah.
And certainly I know that as a learner, I'm quite visual.
Yeah.
I really like having the maths there as well, but sometimes it can be a bit of a distraction.
Yeah.
Once you've got the conceptual understanding with a good visualization, then I sort of jump into the maths.
Oh.
And then of course, you always want to play around with code.
Yeah.
Those are kind of the three sort of levels I look for. Yeah.
I think that's a very useful tip for everyone, and even for me, because I also I can use this in my own learning experience and my field.